Hi guys, have to run a coroutine for a specific time and not do it in update. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. We have a game where the rotation of the object occurs through animation. Our task is to remove the animation on the level. We can redo for each element. If you want, we will analyze the whole game from zero. Now we will write our own coroutine, in which we can manipulate the object the way we want. We can of course use .win, but we always need experience, so we can add a curve and adjust as we want. We can see what we've done, and we can create different methods to change all the animation in the game. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments what else you want to see.